Okay, here's Sally and Usha. And there's my tennis balls with the cookie head. So we're going to see how it goes. I'm not going to talk because Sally got one. Usha, is your mom smarter than you? Aww. Did you get another one? Are you getting the ball out? Well, I guess we always knew Sally was smarter than Usha. I'm sorry, Usha, you're cute. Sally got 2. I think I put 6 in there. Usha, keep looking. Alright, I'm not going to talk. I think Usha focuses on me too much. And she might be just happy enough with the ball. Oh, there's one in there. Maybe she doesn't like it. We should look in there. Oh, there she does. There's one more. There's Usha in the wrong place. Oh, you got nice hair. We'll practice with you, Usha. I think Sally's bored with it. Oh, what was that? There must have been something in the cat cupboard. Here's Usha still smelling the ball, but it had the cookie on it. Well, I know oh, there's 6. I did get them all. You got them all. Very good. Sally did it. Usha will practice with you. Well, there you have it. They didn't tip it. They made a liar out of me.